morning everyone, my name is Kushagra and today I am going to show you how to make veg cutlet. Here's what you need. First, you will need 1 carrot, chilies, an onion, a few coriander leaves, suji, milk, salt and black pepper. Now let's proceed with the steps. The first step is bake the suji on a low flame till it gets a golden brown color like this. Now when the suji is baked, let's proceed to step number 2. The step is that take the baked suji and put the chopped onion, carrot and chilies in it. After this, put a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper to it. You can add salt and pepper as per taste. When you have put this, now mix it. The next step is take the milk and boil it. The ratio of the milk to the suji should be 3:1. For example, if you take 1 cup of suji, then you will take 3 cups of milk. And similarly, if you take 2 cups of suji, you will take 6 cups of milk. Boil it till it gets boiled. Add coriander to it and mix it. Then add the coriander leaves and then take the mixture and put them slowly in the boiled milk and mix them well. Stir the mixture till it becomes a thick paste. When the thick paste is formed, put it in a big plate and then put it in the refrigerator for about an hour and let it cool. When the batter is cooled, take it out of the refrigerator and cut it into different shapes. Then heat the oil to fry it. In this step, take use of a noodle because the oil might come onto you. Cut it in different shapes like this and put it in the heated oil to fry it. Fry it till a golden brown color comes.